must be here. Sorry for the So how did you get here?
132.
Let me guide you to the table.
Okay. Let me introduce. I'm John Chen.
Yes.
But the director.
蔡小姐你好。
拜托，这个委员在这边，他在吃我肉，邻居吃。
Everybody has done
OK， 谢谢。
最怕上校。
你考340到37。
重点来，需要一个。除了报告。你不要这边在上面了，不要告诉我。
谢谢，这里，太太在这里。
好了。
Governor, and we'd like to have his representative Kevin Wong here to read a proclamation for us.
Inviting Governor Wilson to be part of this wonderful celebration. Our governor regrets not being able to join us this evening. However, as Chinese American and as the Deputy Director of the Office of Community Relations, I am very proud to represent him and present a message on his behalf. Before I do that, I would like to tell you how much California enjoys the excellent business relationship with Taiwan, our fifth largest export market. Last year, our export to Taiwan increased by about 70% from 1994. What it means to California is $5.5 billion in revenues that support about 100,000 jobs in the Golden State. After his 1989 great mission to Asia, Governor Wilson decided to place a California office of trade and investment in Taipei. This office does not only help California businesses, but forges stronger ties between California and Taiwan. California is uniquely qualified to play a key role in trade around the Pacific Rim. Not only we have the 7th largest economy in the world, but we spend triple the amount of any other state on research and development. And most important, we have the most precious resource, and that is the diversity of our people. Our governor recognizes the contributions of Taiwanese Americans to the Golden State, and it gives us great pride to be able to join us this evening. I now would like to present a letter from the governor that I will not read because it is included in your program. John.
Good evening again. Before I start, I think just now we have missed some very important guests tonight. She said in my head table, and Liz Figueroa, please stand up. She is a state assemblywoman. Let's give her a warm welcome. So, the year is still new. Let me give you warm wishes and wish you all have a very happy new year. And as everyone knows, this is the year of red. And the year of red is a spirit. That's the spirit of the great leadership and the spirit of the creation. I think this is a changing world, and we all need some new creation to face the changing world. So I hope that everyone will have a very prosperous and productive year ahead for this year. And this chamber is really new and young. We are just about 6 months old. And thanks to everyone's effort, we have 11 board members and 5 consultants. At this time, I would like to ask them all stand up and 請將上會收會啲暑假喺度幫我們大家嘅合作啦。Let's give them a warm welcome. Thank you. Well, to put on a party like this, we need a great teamwork, and thanks to all their effort and put this together. And there's a lot of things to thank. And of course, first of all, I have to thank our keynote speaker, came all the way from Washington, D.C., David Lux, and let's give him another welcome again, David. Thank you. David came all the way from Washington, D.C., and also tonight, we have a lot of wonderful programs and outstanding performers. They are good musicians and some good, very excellent singers. I think you will really enjoy tonight's program. So again, I really appreciate everyone's effort for your participation. We can put this program together. So we hope in the year to come, we can do our service back to the community. As we have a name for this program, we say this is a fundraising party. So we try to use the money we raise, contribute back to our community. We hope we can do a better service in the year to come. Actually, in everyone's program book, on the page, I believe that's 11, you will see there's a list for all our activity in the past 6 months. I think you will see our accomplishment and what we did and what we have done for the community. So I really appreciate and thank you again. Hope you have a great evening. Thank you.
I would like to introduce Jason Chen, who he's the Vice President of the Chamber, and he will introduce our keynote speaker.
接下来，我们请这个美中经济协会主席罗大为致辞。这个由陈文良跟我们介绍一下哦。
各位乡亲，各位贵宾哦，我今仔日的工作是来介绍这个罗大为先生，今仔日咱的晚会这个主要的这个演讲者，所以我先用台湾话来介绍几句，再用英语来介绍。罗大为先生，伊是现主席是这个美国甲台湾 經濟協會嘅主席。這以前呢，伊要做這個咱台灣協會就在台協會AIT 嘅這個主要 director， 經是大賽級。這羅大先生以前呢，我那是這國安會的會員，伊主要的管理的這個所在是亞洲業務，包括中國、台灣、香港、澳洲、紐西蘭種種，所以的工會相當重要。伊是這個Amherst College 嘅這個 BA。然後呢，喺這個 American University 嘅這個 MBA， 伊捌喺這 Berkeley University、UC Berkeley， 啊個這 Harvard 捌做中國研究 China Study， 所以這是伊個簡單嘅，現主是伊是結婚有攏總有8個囝，所以才有中國嘅傳統。我拄仔甲伊講你哪會生這個囝？伊講我是講全部係講生這個。啊，其實哦伊話講真濟人語，有人講中國話，有人講日本話，有人講法語，當然英語是免講。所以我想用英語來這介紹這個人。Distinguished guests, let me introduce Mr. David Lux, who is the president of USA ROC Economic Council. Mr. Lux joined USA ROC Economic Council in October 1990. As you know, the purpose of this council is to promote the business relation of all kinds between the U.S. and Taiwan. It is the most important privately financed organization involved in the U.S.-Taiwan relations. Before joining U.S. ROC Economic Council, Mr. Lux served as the chairman and managing director of the American Institute in Taiwan, AIT. Prior to joining AIT, Mr. Lux was the director of Asian Affairs from August 1982 to December 1986 with the National Security Council in the White House. He was responsible for Chinese affairs, including People's Republic of China, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Mongolia, Macau, as well as Australia, New Zealand, and all the Pacific Islands. Before this, Mr. Lux's experience includes Director of the Office of China and Hong Kong Affairs with the Department of Commerce. He also served in the Department of Treasury and other government agencies. Mr. Lux obtained BA from Amherst College and his MBA from American University. He met several Chinese studies at the UC Berkeley, Georgetown University, and Harvard Business School. Mr. Lux speaks Chinese, Japanese, French. He and his wife, Elna, have 8 children. This is a very distinguished career of Mr. He's going to talk to us tonight about business, economic relations from Taiwan and the USA, the past, present, and the future. Let's give him a very warm welcome,